Happy 4th of July, everybody. We're back at our old favorite spot.
Look what I'm using.
Rebecca's gonna give the E-Track a go. I'm gonna start trying to learn that. We haven't actually been here in a long time. I mean, I've come here a handful of times after work for 20 minutes or so. It is right down the street from where we live. And it's already getting pretty hot out. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna see if we can't pick up anything. Last bunch of times we've been here, we haven't found a single thing worth bringing home and putting on our relic table. But since it's so close and since it's gonna be so hot today, we thought this would just be an easy way to get out and at least take a few swings. I know this is a big field, but we've spent weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks worth of time here. It's my first good signal of the day. By good, I mean repeatable. Yeesh. This was like a between 5 and 6 on the Equinox. Usually, like at the beach, 5 or 6 comes up as a little piece of aluminum foil or something. And since that was round and copper, I'm surprised it rang that low. Just a little grommet or something. This is a very faint squeak. Numbers are very inconsistent. Has me curious. Probably a nail, but you never know. Since we're running out of options at this field. Still very jumpy. See if I can hit it with the pinpointer. Alright, so it is pretty deep. Doesn't mean it's good. It does increase the odds of it being something better than a nail. Oh my. Do you see that? Aha, it's an Indian head penny. Cool. 1875. Awesome. That's an awesome. We've been in here for 10 minutes maybe. That's a great way to start the day. IHP. Moth. Yes. This is a fairly repeatable mid-tone. The area I'm in, dug a lot of bullets. I'm gonna dig a Rebecca plug here. Not really a good sign. It's probably a bullet, most likely a bullet now. Yes, it is. One that has hit something fairly hard. 9mm, I'm guessing. I wonder if she's found anything yet.
No, just a few nails and a shotgun.
I'm sure everybody wants to know what the rubber gloves are about.
Poison ivy.
Another low number target. This is typically a tinfoil signal. I don't see as much tinfoil out here as you do at the beach. Not saying it's not here, but oh, it's a much higher mid-tone. Ooh, that is a weird one. Some kind of coppery ball thing. It's fairly light for its size. I'm kind of at a loss as to what this could be. I mean, I see a hole right there, and I thought, well, maybe it's a bead or something, but there's no hole on the other side. That's weird. I'm gonna toss it in here just for now. Anybody has an idea what that is, leave a comment below. You guys like my new sticker? I guess you got like 1,000 of these things. Pretty cool. A pretty junky signal. However, it was repeatable tone-wise, both ways. I can see some sort of little ornate designs. Hole there. I can't think what it could be though. It almost looks like one of those locket thingies. I see a little tab right there, I think. I have found a few little lockets in this field over the years. I'll keep that one. Here's another one of those aluminum signals, aluminum foil. Ooh. Oh, yes. It's been a while since I found an old button like this. I kind of feel like a jerk right now. I've been admonished that, or Stanley, for those of you who know him like that, this place is pretty much beat. We've spent a few hours here today, but I hope that was recorded. This thing just blew up. Like, actually just blew up. It's full of water, hopefully. It just blew up in my face. Wow. That sucks, but at the same time, it's pretty wild. I'm just about ready to get out of here. I told Rebecca one more good thing, or by the time I hit the end of this shady spot over here, she thinks that I'm trying to tell her something. I'm not. At least she'll go to the shade then. She shouldn't be in the sun. Signal was a solid 10. Yeah, nothing fancy about it. No way. Nice. You know, this really completes the day, the dig. You know, got a lot of, not a lot, but decent amount of the average stuff. I think I have some mates for this at the house. In fact, I'm sure I do. I do believe these are the ones with the date on them. Yeah, I see something right there. I want to say the other ones date to the 1860s. That's cool. I'll still keep that even though it's mangled. I believe it's a suspender clip adjuster thingamajig. At least now, because it's bent, it fits in my case. That's number 2 of these for the day. Looks like it's silver wash, silver plated, and falling apart as I play with it a little too roughly. Cool.